Hello, welcome to Electrical Trends. Here we can see the plotting of altitude angle on sunpath diagram. Input data 1st April 2020 and time 9 am. Output date altitude angle 30 degree. Here we can see the line of diagram and locate the required date and line, remembering that solid are used, and dotted lines for July to December. We can find the intersection point of hour and date lines, remembering to intersect solid with solid and dotted with dotted lines. We have drawn a line from the very center of the diagram through the intersection point out to the perimeter of the diagram. We can also find the azimuth as an angle taken clockwise from north. We have find the concentric circle around from the intersection point to the vertical north axis on which is displayed the altitude angles. Interpole between the concentric circle lines we can find in the diagram. Thank you.